Interior and exterior of a quadrilateral. 1. All the points lying inside a quadrilateral form the interior of the quadrilateral. Points L, M and N are interior parts. 2. All the points lying outside the quadrilateral form the exterior of the quadrilateral. Points P, Q, R and S are exterior parts. 3. All the points which lie on the line segments of the quadrilateral form the boundary of the quadrilateral. Points X, Y, Z and W lie on the boundary of the quadrilateral. Interior and exterior of a quadrilateral. 1. All the points lying inside a quadrilateral form the interior of the quadrilateral. Points L, M and N are interior parts. 2. All the points lying outside the quadrilateral form the exterior of the quadrilateral. Points P, Q, R and S are exterior parts. 3. All the points which lie on the line segments of the quadrilateral form the boundary of the quadrilateral. Points X, Y, Z and W lie on the boundary of the quadrilateral. Adjacent and opposite sides and angles of a quadrilateral. Adjacent and opposite sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral having a common vertex are called adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. Sides BA and AD have common vertexes, so BA and AD are adjacent sides. Sides AD and DC have common vertex D, so sides AD and DC are adjacent sides. Side DC and BC have common vertex C, so sides DC and BC are adjacent sides. Side BC and BA have common vertex B, so sides BC and BA are adjacent sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral which do not have a common vertex are called opposite sides. Side AB and CD are opposite sides. Similarly, sides BC and DA are opposite sides. Adjacent and opposite angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral are called adjacent angles if they have a common side as an arm. Angle A and angle B, angle B and angle C, angle C, angle and angle D and angle A are adjacent. Two angles of a quadrilateral that are not adjacent are called opposite angles. Angle A and angle C, angle B and angle D are opposite angles. The line segment joining the opposite angles of a quadrilateral is called diagonal of the quadrilateral. AC and BD are two diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. The sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. ABCD is a quadrilateral. BD is the diagonal which divides the quadrilateral into two triangles ABD and BDC. In triangle ABD, angle ADB plus angle DBA plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degrees, 1. In triangle BDC, angle BDC plus angle DCB plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degrees, 2. Adding 1 and 2. Angle ADB plus angle DBA plus angle BAD plus angle BDC plus angle DCB plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degrees plus 180 degrees equals 360 degrees, a sum of angles for quadrilateral. Types of quadrilaterals. Rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and each angle is a right angle. Square. All sides are equal and each angle is a right angle. Parallelogram. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Rhombus. A parallelogram having all sides are equal. Trapezium. A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Kite. A quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Properties of quadrilaterals. Rectangle. A. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal and parallel. AB is equal to CD. BC is equal to AD. AB vertical bar CD. BC vertical bar CD. B. All four angles of a rectangle are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. The diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length and bisect each other. AC is equal to BD. AO is equal to OC. DO is equal to O. Square. A. All the four sides of a square are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. B. All the four angles of a square are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. C. The diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. AC is equal to BD. AO is equal to OC. OB is equal to OD. Angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle DOA is equal to 90 degrees. D. Angles that a diagonal makes with the side of a square is 45 degrees. Angle OCB is equal to angle OCD is equal to angle ODC is equal to angle ODA is equal to angle OBA is equal to angle OBC is equal to angle OAB is equal to angle OAD is equal to 45 degrees. Parallelogram. A. Both pairs of opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. AB is equal to CD. AD is equal to BC. A vertical bar CD. AD vertical bar BC. B. The opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. C. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. AO is equal to OC. OD is equal to OB. Rhombus. A. All the four sides of a rhombus are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. B. The opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. C. The opposite sides are parallel. A vertical bar CD. BC vertical bar AD. D. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. AO is equal to OC. OB is equal to OD. Angle AOB is equal to angle AOD is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to 90 degrees. Trapezium. A. One pair of opposite sides is parallel. AB vertical bar DC. B. If the non-parallel sides are equal, it is an isosceles trapezium. AB vertical bar DC. AD and BC are non-parallel sides. If AB vertical bar DC and AD is equal to BC, then trapezium is an isosceles trapezium. Kite. A. Adjacent sides are equal. AB is equal to BC, AD is equal to DC. B. The two diagonals are perpendicular to each other. ACBD. Example 1. The ratio of two sides of a parallelogram is to 3 and its perimeter is 150 centimeters. Find the sides of the parallelogram. Solution. Let the sides be 2x and 3x. Perimeter is equal to 2, L plus B. 2x plus 3x is equal to 150. 2 times 5x is equal to 150. 10x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150. 10. X is equal to 15. Sides are 2x is equal to 2 times 15 equals 30 cm and 3x is equal to 3 times 15 equals 45 cm. Example 2. The measures of two angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 4:5. Find the measure of each angle of the parallelogram. Solution. Let the angles be 4x and 5x. Since the sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degrees, therefore 4x plus 5x is equal to 180 degrees. 9x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 degrees. 9. X is equal to 20 degrees. Measures of angles are 4x and 5xi. 80 degrees, and 100 degrees. Measures of each angles is 80 degrees, 100 degrees, 80 degrees, 100 degrees. Example 3. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram differ by 50 centimeters. If its perimeter is 200 centimeters, find its sides. Solution. Let one side be x cm. Then the other side will be x plus 50. Perimeter is equal to 2. X plus 50 is equal to 4x plus 100. Therefore 4x plus 100 is equal to 200. 4x is equal to 200 to 100. 4x is equal to 100. X is equal to 100. 4. X is equal to 25. Sides of the parallelogram are 25 centimeters and 75 centimeters. Example 4. In a rectangle ABCD, ODC is equal to 30 degrees. Find back. Solution. BDC is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore BDA is equal to 90 degrees. 30 degrees equals 60 degrees. Since in a rectangle the diagonals are equal and bisect each other, OD is equal to OB is equal to OA is equal to OC. In OCD, ODC is equal to OCD, base angles of isosceles triangle. Here, ODC is equal to 30 degrees, therefore OCD is equal to 30 degrees. Back is equal to OCD, alternate angles, as a vertical bar DC, is equal to 30 degrees.